All right, so for uplighting, the lights are right here. There's a switch here. When it's off, it's not illuminated, turn it on. Typically, when you turn that switch on, it'll automatically be on. But for some reason, if it's not, like this one wasn't, there's a power button on the remote. There's a little receptor right here. So you just point the remote at it, hit the power button, and then you can hit whatever color they want. So I'm going to go with teal for this. And what you want to do is you want to start at a focal point. Like, for example, if we're going to start at this point of the room and work our way all the way around, you want to have it off the wall if possible, if there aren't any obstructions. You know, a foot, 6 to 12 inches would be great. It'll illuminate. Go around, hit this switch. We don't want purple, so we're going to go ahead and hit the teal again. If they want to have it alternating, you can just hit it. The colors that are on the remote aren't necessarily what the colors you're going to see. So if the client wants to, wants pink, we can go ahead and try it. And they say, I don't really like that, it's too purpley. You can just go ahead to the next one around it and say, instead of showing them on the remote, show them the lights and say, do you like this? No, do you, you want amber? You can have that. You want red? And you just go around, point and shoot every single one. Some people have under the table uplighting. So if they have white table skirts, you're just going to place one of these underneath each table if they have a table under the table lighting. Turn it on, hit the color they want, and it'll illuminate underneath the tables. Same thing. Usually I have 30 to 36 lights per event for around the rooms. Use them all. If you have extras, put some underneath the cake table or underneath the head table or underneath the gift table. Utilize all of them, because if you don't use them all, I'm not going to know which ones you did or didn't use, and I need to make sure that they're all being charged. I don't want to overcharge them. If for some reason one of these lights doesn't go on, try jiggling it. Sometimes the connectors are loose. You can unscrew the back of them. It's pretty lengthy. You'd have to pop these out, unscrew it. If you have enough lights, don't bother. Just make a note of it. Put a little sticky note on it. I'll have sticky notes for you. And just write, did not work, so I know ahead of time. If any of them die, they should last 6+ hours. If any of them die, say 2-3 hours in, put a sticky note on it, pick it up, put it back in its bag. That way I know that it didn't last the duration. I can look into the battery and see why it didn't last 6 hours.